Hello friends, welcome back to AngularJS tutorial series part 10, and in this video we will learn about ngRepeat directive. ngRepeat is one of the built-in directive in AngularJS. So let's understand what is ngRepeat. Whenever you work with any application, you will always find the data in form of collection, such as collection of customers, orders or product, and we need a way to iterate over the data and write it down into our web page. So AngularJS has another built-in directive called ngRepeat that makes this task quite easy. You can think of ngRepeat like a for each loop that we have used in JavaScript or any other programming language like C#. So let's understand ngRepeat with an example. Flip to your editor. For this demo, I have already set up the basic file structure. So in part 10, I have my Angular script, my main index.html file and my app.js. So in the index.html file, I have already included my Angular script and app.js file. In the app.js file, I have created a module for my application, and that is your main app, and one controller, and I have given a name to this controller, users controller. In the previous videos we have already learned that what is module and what is controller and how we can create the same. So I strongly recommend to go through with my those videos to have a better understanding on this video. So now suppose I have a list of users that I want to display. So I'm creating a property users on my this scope object that is holding a list of users. So as of now I'm mentioning few random names. You can write it down according to your wish. Now as of now I have 3 users that I want to display on my web page. So move to your index.html file and I want to display each users in a list format. And you can check here, this users is in the users controller that I have already referred on index.html page with the help of a directive that is called ngController. So in the ngController directive you need to mention your controller name which you want to use here. So now I want to display each user's information in a list format. Now where to use ngRepeat? So to make it clear, you need to use the ngRepeat directive on that HTML element that you want to repeat. So I want to repeat my li tag for each user. So you need to use ngRepeat directive on the li. So I will say li ngRepeat. And here you need to create any property, I say user, in the name of array that is holding the list of users. So my each users is stored in this users property that you have to mention here. So it means for each users that will come from this array is going to hold on in this user. So that you need to bind here. This is all you need to do to use ngRepeat. Now save the changes and see the output on your browser. Now you can check here all the users are displayed in a list format. So using ngRepeat is quite easy. You just need to apply ngRepeat on that element that you want to repeat. Now let's move one step ahead. As you can see here, I have used a very simple array. Now assume I have array of object that is holding multiple information for each users. So in place of this user, I will use array of object. So to save time, I have already created an array of object. So I will use this array of object in my demo. To make it clear, you can see I have created an array, and here inside array I have object that is holding multiple users. So as of now I have 4 objects, and each object is holding ID, name, age and date of birth for the users. So now I want to display this users information in a table format. So move to your index.html file. Here in place of list format, I want to display it in a table format. So quickly you can create a basic table structure. So I'm ready with my basic table structure, and in this I have created 4 columns that will hold the value of ID, name, age and date of birth. Now I want to repeat my complete row for each user. So you need to use your ngRepeat directive on this tr. So I will say ngRepeat and repeat this tr for each users. Now remember, this users should be same as of this variable. Now in each tr you need to create 4 columns that will hold the value of id. Now this is array of object, so here the user will act like a object that will hold the value of id, name, age. Now save the changes and again move to your browser and check the output. Wow, now you can see each user's information is displayed in a table format. So now you can see ngRepeat directive is quite easy, that is used to iterate over the collection. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.